The incident that led to the first fatality on board a Cybertruck, where the driver did not survive, reportedly lost control of the pickup truck and crashed into a ditch. The truck was totaled and has ended up in auction yard. The EV is still waiting for a title, but it looks every inch a write-off. The body panels are so entangled that you can't even tell the front end from the rear, so there is no way in the world it would ever set wheels on the road again. EV is in pieces, with most parts simply melted in the fire. What is left of the roof crumpled backward. The cabin is also a thing of the past. The seats, dashboard, screens, and everything else simply liquefied in the blaze. Not much of what is left could be sold on the used car parts market. Still, car rebuild experts would queue in to get something they need for the Cybertrucks they are currently working on to fix.